everyone, and welcome to Cornell iGEM's Summer Experiment video series. Today we are going to be talking about slime and polymer chemistry. So first off, what are polymers? Polymers are substances that are made of small repeating units. These units are called monomers. Mono means one. Monomers can be bonded together by chemical bonds in order to form polymers. The way you can think of it is similar to a necklace, where if you have small beads, these beads would be considered monomers. And together, these beads can be put on a string to create a giant necklace. These strings are what join the beads together, and these would be considered the covalent chemical bonds. And the necklace itself could be considered the polymer. So why exactly are polymers important? Polymers are visible in everyday life, anywhere from PVC pipes to DNA to even in slime. Slime is made entirely of cross-linking fibers, creating polymers. This is really relevant to the work we do in iGEM, as we use polymers to create biofilms and hydrogels, for instance, to provide either structure or a place for bacteria to grow. Polymers are extremely important to the work we do in synthetic biology and are extremely relevant to all that we do in iGEM. Stay tuned to learn more about how to make slime.
Alright, so now we're going to show you guys how to make your own slime at home. So first you're going to take some glue, like we have here, pour it out into the bowl about the size that you'd like your slime to be. Following that, we're going to grab some baking soda, which helps the slime to form correctly. So you can measure that out about 1 tablespoon, just using a typical spoon as we're doing here, and add that in with the glue. And then you'll just want to mix that around in the bowl. Make sure it's well blended. And then after you've finished mixing that up, we're going to grab some contact solution. This contains boric acid, and that will allow your slime to get the stretchy texture that we're going for here. So you're going to mix that in as well. And as you do this, you will see that the slime starts to form in the bowl in a more solid shape. And so you can take it out, and then you can kind of play it by ear and decide what kind of texture you want. So you can add more contact solution if it's too sticky, but be sure not to add too much because that will make the slime break when you try to stretch it out. So then you can just kind of do it however you want. And yeah, now we have our slime here, as you can see. Also, if you want to add a little bit of color, you can take a marker and just color on the slime and then kind of mix it up, and that'll allow you to get some color in your slime. So we use blue here, and yeah, that's it. There you have our blue slime. So thank you guys for watching, and we hope you have a great time making your own slime at home.